Here they come.
We're back with hogs.
Oh boy.
Hi, baby.
Honey, you just gonna let them free or what?
We can get at the pin with them. Yeah, we can get the pin.
Let's see them. Where are they? Oh, there they are. Look at them. Oh my goodness. Hi. Careful. Don't scare them.
Girl.
They're so cute. Look at the babies.
I want to get in the trailer.
Are you just gonna let them run wild or what?
Yeah, they're gonna be free range pigs.
Free range pigs? I don't think so.
You go.
Listen to them. How do you stay out? They're scared. Be careful.
They don't even touch him.
Come here, little babies.
That one was how you like. Who are you?
Little pig butts. Dirty little pig butts. Oh my goodness.
I want to hold on.
Don't traumatize them.
She likes me. I like this one. This is my pig. I want this one. I don't care. I already picked it.
They're all ours. Here's their home. Mark's been working back here trying to get it all back under control. We live on his grandparents' property and his dad raised pigs for a really long time. He had a lot of pigs on this property at one point. So this is a little bit overgrown, but the pigs will take care of that once they get in here and make it their own little home.
Someone from the door. Oh.
Woo! There they go. Oh gosh. Close it, close it, close it. Paige, we're gonna have a pig scramble. We're gonna make you catch them. Oh, there comes my pig. Oh, she doesn't like it. Look at them. Little piggy butts.
They're all eating.
Yeah, they found their food.
Dad, that's the whole bag. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Murphy, what do you think about them? What do you think about the piggies, huh, boy? Sweet baby. Yeah, sweet baby. I'm gonna get a drink. It's water. She had to touch it and figure out what the heck this is. Like, get me away from that guy. Howdy. You just really want to be part of this, don't you? Howdy, that pig doesn't know about you. He's like, I'm not sure. Well, I got some hay to root around in. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, Anna. Aw, sweet babies. You guys, you're probably scaring them. Quit. Would you quit? Phoebe, you're not getting in there, Phoebe. You can't fit. Phoebe, you're gonna get stuck, Phoebe, quit. Quit it. I feel like I could just sit here and watch them for so long, but we have so much else we need to do this weekend.
2 hours later.
Mark said he saw in his Facebook group for that we got these pigs from. It's like a Missouri pigs Facebook group. People were feeding their pigs their pumpkins, and supposedly they like them. So we'll find out. He said he's never fed pigs pumpkins before.
We never gave them our old pumpkins.
See if they like them. See what they do. Ooh, I think they like the pumpkins. They found them.
Michaela, flip them over so they can get to the inside of them. So the orange stuff's down. Yeah, lay it like that.
Pickle babes.
Break that one open.
Get it, babes? Baby
Yep.
pig.
The babes. Satisfaction. Satisfaction. Whoever gets this one is in heaven. They get this whole thing to themselves.
Share.
Ew, that's cupcake.
That's our sisters and brothers like you guys share so good.
They're all going after
You guys
that
share
stick.
wonderfully.
Never fight over it.
Nothing.
She's in.
Phoebe, brat. You just couldn't stand it that I was in here with the pig.
No. Phoebe,
Let her smell them.
you're gonna bite.
No, she's not gonna bite them. They bigger as she is. Wait till they get bigger. I dare her to bite one when they get bigger.
Want one? See if you can
Let me see the camera.
I think this is big, but Mama, I don't know.
Oh, you're actually recording me for once.
And this is big, good.
Phoebe finally came in to say hi.
She fit through the hole. Hey, baby. I guess I can.
Big butt mama. Phoebe, what do you think?
Baby's shaking for some reason.
Phoebe's always shaking. I think she has anxiety. That is going to be it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you want to see more from our big blended farm family. We'll have more piggy videos coming to you soon. So stay tuned. We will see you guys again next time, and I hope you have an amazing day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.